Hello students, in the previous lecture we have discussed about electric field and electric field due to point charge. Now further we will discuss about electric dipole. What is electric dipole? Let me tell you, electric dipole is a set of two equal and oppositively charged separated by short distance. Now we can conclude that it is a set of two equal and opposite charges separated by a short distance. There should be a definite distance. I repeat, there should be a definite distance. Then the whole distance can be considered from one charge to another charge is 2L. That means there should be a mean point and these charges should be positively charged and the magnitude of these charges should be same. Now moving further, there is another topic, that is electric dipole moment. What is electric dipole moment? It is a product of magnitude of either charge and the separation between these charges. I repeat it once again, that it is the product of magnitude of either charge and the separation between these charges. It is denoted by small p. Its unit is coulomb meter, as Q is indicated as coulomb and L is indicated in meter. That is why its unit is coulomb meter. Now moving further, there is another and the most important topic, that is electric field lines. We should know what is electric field lines. It is a vector quantity. We draw electric field as arrow indicates the direction of the field and length of the arrow indicates the direction of the magnitude. As for the positive charge particle, it is always outward, and for the negative charge particle, it is always inward. A field line is a space or curve, that is a curve in three-dimensional. What are the properties of these field lines? The properties of these field lines can be represented like field lines start from positive charge and end at negative charge. I repeat the first point. What is that? Field lines start from positive charge and end at negative charge. What is the second point? The second point is that if there is a single charge, it may start or end at infinity. As you can see here, it is a single charge, it may start or end at infinity. For the third point, electric field lines cannot taken to be a continuous curve without break. It cannot be taken to a continuous curve without break. And the fourth point would be two field lines can never cross each other. Why two field lines can never cross each other? Because if two field lines cross each other, if we can consider here, if two field lines cross each other, there would be two tangent. And for a single electric field, there should not be two direction. That is why two field lines cannot cross each other. The last point is that electric field lines do not form closed loop. Just because of that they cannot cross each other, they should not form closed loop.